Pranam students. Now I thought you done the question number 2 and 3 which I given for homework. Please check your answer. Answer is given at the back of the this book. Okay. Please check it everyone. Your answers is given at the back of this book. If you have any doubt, if you have any confusion to do the questions, please give the comment. I will solve it. Okay. Now up to question number 3 we done the revision exercise. Okay, now we start. Today we will start from the question number 4. Okay, in the question number 4 it is given write the place value and face value of each digit in 8347. Okay, question number 4 it is given. We want to write it place value and face value. Okay, what is the face value? What is the face value? Everyone you know this thing. Face means your face, जो जैसा दिखता है. Okay, face means face. One look like one. One look like one. That means face value of one is one. Face value of one is one. Okay, 2 is also look like 2 same. So face value of 2 is 2, and 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 4 is 4, and 5 is 5. That means a number itself is the face value. Okay, the face, what is the face value? Face value is number itself. Okay, write the, in the question number 4 it is written write the place value or and face value of each digit in the 8347. Right, the new digit is given 8347. Okay, first we will write the place value. What we have to write? We have to write the place value. Place value of 7 is 7 because it is in one's place. Okay, and 4, place value of 4 is 40 because place is in tens place. This is the place now. See, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. These is the places. And face 7 is 7. 7 face is 7 only. 4 face is 4 only. 3 face is 3 only. 8 face is 8 only. Same look like. Okay. Place value of 7 is 7. Place value of 4 is 40. And place value of 3 is 300. And place value of 8 is 800. Sorry, 8000. Now we will write the face value. Face value. There is no matter where it is placed or ones, tens, hundred and thousand. It is no matter for the place value. Only place value is number itself. Okay. The place value of 7 is 7. 4 is 4. 3 is 3. And 8 is 8. Okay, clear? I think it is clear. This is the answers of question number 4. Okay, question number 5. Find the difference between the place value of 2 sevens occurring in 7875. Question number 5. Number given 7875. So place value of both 7. Place value of both 7 is first 70. It is first one in the tens place and second one is 7000 because 7 it is in 7. So what we have to do? We have to find out difference. Difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Which one is greater? 7,001 is greater, na? 7,000 minus 70. Clear, everyone? This is the answer. Did you understand, everyone? Okay, now find the difference between the place value of 3 in 5,396 and 5 in 7,952. I think you will do it this question very well. Okay, you understood, everyone? There is no problem to do the question number 6, because in the question number 6, place value of 3 is 300 and place value of 5 is 50. You have to subtract 50 from the 300. It is very easy and you have to do it. Clear? It is the homework. Okay, in the question number 7, write each of the following numerals in expanded form. Earlier, I already taught you how to write in expanded form. You have to write expanded form. You have to expand according to place value all the numbers. That means you have to write it every digit's place value and put it plus between there. Okay, you know very well how to do it expanded form. This is also homework. Question number 5, 6 and 7 is also homework. Now you will come in the question number 8. Okay, write each of the following in short form. What is the meaning of short form? Short form means you have to write in the number in compact form. Means what? See, this is 8th question. I will explain one question and rest of you will do. Okay. First question is given 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 1. That means you have to write in compact. Okay, what is the ones place number? Ones place, you have to write it here. 4,000 is 4,000 digits, 1,000 digits there. Ones, you have to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. Okay, what is the value of, what is the digit of ones place? 1 is there, so you have to write it 1 here. What is the digit of the tens place? 6 is there, you have to write the 6 here. And next one, what is the digit of 100 place? Is 5. 5 you have to write here. What is the digit of the 1,000 place? 1,000 place is 4. Their answer is 4,561. It is a compact. If you not understood, please do it the addition. If you want to do it like this, you have to add. There's a plus sign is there. You have to add it. Okay, 560 plus 1. And you have to add it. 1654. This is the answer. Whatever method you know very well, you have to do it from there. Okay. Now, question number 9 is given counting by fives. Write the numeral from where 3,037 to 3,020. 72. Okay, simple way. Counting by fives, you have to count more 5. Okay, this is the 3,037. You added 5 here. There is come first 3,037. Next will become 3,042. Next will become 3,047. Next will become 3,000. Okay, like this you have to count it up to 3,072. It is very easy. Okay, next 10th is counting by 15s. 15s, write the numeral from this to this. It is very easy. It is also homework. Counting by 50s, write the numeral in reverse order. Reverse means you have to go the descending order. What you have to go the descending, that means you have to subtract question number 11. You have to subtract 50 from 2010. First answer will be there. Okay, next you have to subtract up to when the answer will become 1660. Okay, it is very easy. If you not understood, if first you will try, if you not understood, then I will tell you. Okay, now come in the question number 12. Look at the pattern and the fill in the blanks. Your pattern you read in the last year class. The pattern is also very easy. First you will try. If you not understood, then I will tell you. Okay, first the 16, then the 23, 23 and 30, 30 and 7. How much we will add in 16? The 23 will come, 7 you have to add it. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 add 7, 30. So that means we have to write the plus 7 in every digit. Okay, same this thing you will do up to class question number 12. That means your, what is the homework? Homework is question number 6, question number 7. Okay, this one is homework. And classwork, question number 4, question number 5, question number 8 and question number 9 and question number 10 and question number 11 and question number 12. This is the classwork. Okay, how much classwork? Classwork is question number, sorry, classwork is question number, do the classwork, question number 4, question number 5, question number 8, question number 9, question number 10, question number 11, question number 12. It is classwork. And question number 6 and question number 7 is homework. Clear everyone? Everyone clear? Any problem, please tell me. Please write in comment, I will solve it. Okay, it is easy. Which you not understood, which are you not able to do, I will explain you how to do it. Please do it. Okay, thank you.